How to delete address on Temu. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the Temu app on your device. Make sure that you're using the latest version of the application. To check, you want to open the Play Store app and then search for Temu. If you find the update option here, you want to tap on that and then update the application to the latest version to get new features. If you find the open option, it means that your application is up to date. Now, if you want to delete the address, you have to follow a couple of simple steps. Step 1 is to tap on the U option at the bottom of your screen. From here, you have the option of addresses. Tap on that option. All of your saved address will appear here. If you want to delete any one of that, you have the option of delete over here. However, if you only want to edit some of the details, tap on the edit option and you can edit your details from here. Once you have edited the details, tap on the save option. However, if you want to delete this entirely, tap on the delete option. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm if you want to delete it. Remember that this action cannot be undone. If you want to delete it, tap on the delete address option. Once you do that, your address will be successfully deleted. If you want to add a new address, tap on add a new address option and then enter all of these details. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.